Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2017 Mercedes-Benz C Class 2.0 C350e Sport Premium, a sophisticated plug-in hybrid offering luxury, efficiency, and advanced technology. Featuring a panoramic roof, it enhances the cabin's airy and spacious feel. Tanished in black with a cream leather interior, this C Class delivers elegance and comfort. At the rear, the LED taillights, reverse camera, and front and rear parking sensors provide convenience and a modern touch. Powered by a 2.0-liter petrol engine combined with a 6.4 kWh plug-in hybrid system, this C Class delivers impressive efficiency and smooth acceleration. At the side, the 17-inch alloy wheels, wood interior trims, and electric folding mirrors add both practicality and premium styling. Cruise control and a G-Tronic Plus automatic transmission ensure a relaxed and effortless driving experience. At the front, the black exterior styling, signature Mercedes-Benz grille, and sleek LED headlights give the C Class a stylish and refined appearance. Stepping inside, enjoy the panoramic roof, heated front seats, and electric memory front seats for maximum comfort. The infotainment system includes Bluetooth, DAB radio, navigation, and keyless start for seamless connectivity. The spacious rear seats provide premium materials and generous legroom, ensuring a comfortable ride for all passengers. Cargo area makes the C Class ideal for daily commutes and long journeys, offering a balance of luxury and usability. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration, KM17RJJ to book a test drive or request a video tour.